Washing dishes in glamorous gloves, squeezing caviar straight out of the fish, and making popcorn with a flat iron? Watch our new video to learn some funny tricks that really work! There's an interesting life hack on TV! How to use a flat iron to make popcorn! Quick, let's try it ourselves! We'll need microwave popcorn. Press the kernels in a hot flat iron. The iron heats up the popcorn. Done! Just be patient and you'll be able to make popcorn even without a microwave. Samantha has a special tool for canapes. A finger holder with a fork. Cut a plastic fork with a heated knife. Make a finger cot out of polymer clay. Adjust the edge with scissors. Bake it according to package instructions. Hot glue the fork to the finished finger holder. Write the word "eat" with a marker. Samantha gets small snacks on her fork with ease. Redhead loves it! Redhead wants a canapé too. Go ahead! Here comes the plate. It'll park right next to you. Remove the block with wheels from a toy car and hot glue it onto a plastic plate. The plate rolls up on its own wheels. Food that delivers itself? It's convenient and fast. Redhead also wants to impress her inventive friend. She created a new way to serve caviar. Take it right out of the fish. Cut the top off a tube of tomato paste. Clean out the tube. Fill it with red caviar and bend the edge firmly. Use pliers. Cover the tube with light clay. Shape the body of a fish. Let it dry. Cut fins out of a foam rubber sheet. Add texture with scissors. Glue the fins onto the fish. Clean up the edge of the clay by the tip of the tube. Color the fish with acrylic paint. Redhead squeezes caviar directly out of her fish. Just a minute, and all her sandwiches are ready. What a brilliant idea! Let's enjoy a luxurious, fishy life. Redhead brushed her teeth, but doesn't want to put her toothbrush into the cup. It's like a public dorm for toothbrushes. That's unhygienic. But a stand with dividers is a totally different story. Cut the top and bottom off a big plastic bottle using a heated-up utility knife. Hot glue the two halves together. Cut the neck off a small plastic bottle. Use a heated awl to poke an opening. Cut out a circle and glue the bottleneck into it. Make 3 separate entrances. Cover the plastic holder with light clay and glue toy eyes all over the whole thing. The funny toothbrush holder is ready. Redhead puts the toothbrushes into the holder. Now each one has its own place. They don't touch each other. Good hygiene means good health. Redhead came up with an unusual manicure gadget. Samantha's never seen anything like this before. It's a stand for nail polish. Roll polymer clay out into an even layer. Cut out a strip and make an open ring for 2 fingers. Make a stand for a nail polish bottle out of the rest of the clay. Put the bottle into it. Bake the pieces according to the package instructions. Use superglue to attach the stand to the ring. Decorate it with acrylic paint. Put the ring on your fingers and put the polish into the stand. Redhead shows off her invention. Now painting your nails is much more comfortable, and the nail polish is always near. It won't fall out or fall over thanks to the stand. Samantha also invented a new beauty product, a mask for putting on lipstick. Glue a printed out picture of lips onto a piece of a silicone mat. Use double-sided tape. Cut the lips along the outline using a utility knife. Cut an oval mask around the lips and a gap for your nose. Insert and tie an elastic band along the edges. Samantha puts the mask on and paints her lips with the template. Fast and easy. Try on the mask and share this life hack with your friends. Just be sure your lips fit into the template. Redhead hates washing dishes. If I have to do this super boring task, I'm going to do it in the gloves of a queen. Cut the excess length off of rubber cleaning gloves. Cut faux fur into strips and glue it to the tops of the gloves. Turn the gloves inside out and glue down the edges of the fur inside. Glue a heart made out of sequin string onto the glove. Cover the top of the glove with sequins. Decorate it with bows. Put a ring onto the glove's finger. Redhead puts on her glamorous dishwashing gloves. How stylish! Even when you're cleaning, remember that you're always a queen. Add some luxury to your chores. Redhead is drinking regular, sad water. I wish it were a fun cocktail instead. Hang on, Samantha has a bartender's life hack. Fill small balloons with fruit juice. Use a syringe. Pour different flavors of juice into the balloons and put them in the freezer. Remove the colorful ice from the balloons. Toss them into your drink. Decorate the cocktail with a lemon and a straw. Samantha turns into a bartender. A few quick moves and your cocktail is ready. Regular water turned into a beautiful, tasty, and nutritious drink. Samantha takes Mentos out of her bag and washes her hands with it. Another life hack: cut a soap base and melt it in a microwave. Add soap coloring and a couple drops of an essential oil. Mix it and pour it into an ice mold. Let it cool. Adjust the ready soap with a knife and put it into an empty Mentos container. Glue on a printed out soap label. There's soap in this Mentos container instead of candy. It's great for traveling. The Mentos size soap is just enough to wash your hands one time, and no more wet soap in your purse. The girls are watching a show about unusual interior design life hacks. Suddenly, rubber boots and flowers come out of the screen. What should we do with this combination? Use them for a decoration life hack. Pour water into rubber boots and put the flowers into them like a vase. The girls try out the life hack and put their flowers in the boots. A vase made out of rubber boots is a new trend in interior design. All you need for a lovely afternoon tea: your friend, cups, tea, and Barbie legs? What are these here for? These are actually spoon legs. Cut the tops of broken off Barbie legs. Break the handle off of a spoon with pliers. Put the spoon into the leg. The instructions for these spoon legs are simple. Wrap the string of the tea bag around the leg and hook it on the heel. Brew your tea. Samantha is confused. but these spoons turned out useful and funny. It looks like Barbie's head over heels for this tea. Did you like our funny life hacks? Then let us know in the comments about which one you'll really try out. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new funny life hacks from Troom.